As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
So I'm looking at these two Char-Broil grills, the Classic Series and the Pro Series. Both 2 burners. What's the real difference, besides the price?
Well, the Pro Series is significantly more expensive, right? It's almost 3 times the price of the Classic. But you're getting a lot more for that money.
Like what exactly?
Okay, so the Classic has a pretty basic setup. 280 square inches of cooking space and a side burner. The Pro Series, on the other hand, has a griddle top that you can swap out. Plus, it uses Char-Broil's amplifier infrared tech, which is supposed to give you more even cooking and fewer flare-ups.
Infrared, huh? Does it really make a difference? I've heard mixed things.
Some people swear by it. The idea is it heats the food directly, rather than just heating the air around it. And the Pro Series also has a larger cooking area, 325 square inches, plus a warming rack. So you can cook more at once and keep some food warm while the rest finishes.
Okay, bigger cooking area is nice. What about build quality? The Classic seems a bit basic.
Yeah, the Pro Series is definitely built tougher. It weighs a whopping 151 pounds compared to the Classic's 37. It also has an enclosed cabinet for storage, which the Classic doesn't. And the Pro Series also has a 10-year warranty on the burners, compared to the Classic's 5-year warranty.
So the Pro is heavier and more durable. Is that extra weight worth the cost?
That's the big question, isn't it? If you're just grilling burgers and hot dogs occasionally, the Classic is probably fine. But if you're a serious griller, and you want the option of a griddle, better temperature control, and a more durable grill, the Pro Series is the way to go. And the option to use charcoal too, if you buy the charcoal tray.
And I noticed the Pro Series has wheels with locking casters, while the Classic doesn't mention that. That's a good point since I'll be moving it around.
Exactly. It all depends on your grilling needs and budget, ultimately.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.